This is a Leslie Locke 56-inch industrial ceiling fan made by Evergo / Union. This one is labeled, well, on the top of the motor it's only labeled Leslie Locke, but the capacitor has a label saying Evergo Industrial Enterprise and a date of September 1981. This one is essentially identical to the first generation Envirofan Gold Lines. Motor is cast aluminum, rated for 1.0 amps, plugs in. This is the box. As you can see here, it is available in 4 sizes. This one's 56-inch, also 36, 48-inch, and also 60-inch, which we have never seen and thought to have not existed until this came up. Anyway, I found this fan new in box. It popped up on eBay. It was depicted as having a round motor. I'm going to turn on low first. A friend of mine, for whatever reason, decided it was a good idea to buy it, and somehow he won it. And to me, the version with the round or spherical bottom motor is a childhood fan. Something I remember from my childhood. Something I want. So my friend decided, oh, I'm going to get this. Well, it came. When I unboxed it, it was not what I was expecting. Instead, we have the pointed motor, which, to some, is far more desirable than the round. The fan is being run on a Hunter 3-speed rotary wall control rated for 1.6 amps. This is low speed. It is a nice aesthetic low. Now we're going up to medium. I'm already feeling a breeze from it. Now we're going to bump up to high. Moves a lot of air. Now these older Union / Evergos with the pointed motor, they run slower, slightly slower than your 2nd or 3rd generation Gold Line, but the blades have a steeper pitch, meaning they move about the same, if not more air. Performs very, very nicely. Has a bit of a startup hum, medium-high pitch, and a constant running hum, which I think is kind of cool. The curved blades really move the air around. They really spread it out. turn it off. Has a good long spin down time as well. Like I said, I found it new in its box. Typically the bearings need a little while to be broken in. Might be a little sticky at first, but this one's nice right out of the box.